Shh! Don't tell Quacky yet. We're preparing a surprise for him. There are a lot of blind boxes here.
There are also secret editions.
I need 7 coins to open the blind box.
Which animals have only one here? Which...
Correct!
Can you find the smallest one and feed it some food?
Correct!
Can you find the smallest one and feed it some food?
That's right!
Who has the longest kite string?
Correct!
Who jumped the highest?
That's right! Great! Challenge complete! Let's continue with the quiz to get more coins!
What is wrong with this daytime photo?
Correct!
What is wrong with this nighttime photo?
Correct!
Objects with triangular structures are strong. Which fence do you think is stronger?
Correct!
Please find out the different flower.
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 That's right!
There is one green apple, one yellow apple, and many red apples on the ground. Let's put the right apples on the empty spots.
No, it's wrong. No, it's wrong. No, it's wrong.
And many red apples on the ground.
That's right! Great! Challenge complete! Yeah! We got 1 coin!
Compare the 2 photos and find which kids have changed pose.
That's right!
Compare the 2 photos and find...
That's right!
Connect and help the little animals find their moms.
Correct!
Come and find it. Which areas have 3 gems?
Correct!
Find the right hats and slippers for them based on their sizes.
That's right! Great! Challenge complete! Let's continue with the quiz to get more coins!
School is over. Which bus should they take to go home separately?
That's right!
Find the animals' homes according to their sizes.
Correct! That's right! That's right!
Which earthworm created the shortest tunnel?
That's right!
2 rabbits are the same height as 3 frogs. Which is taller, 1 rabbit or 1 frog?
Correct! Great! Challenge complete! Yeah! We got 1 coin!
Find the right places for these two animals based on their heights.
That's right! That's right!
Match the photos that are taken during the day and at night, respectively.
That's right!
Match the photos that are taken during the day.
That's right!
Please fix the holes in the clothes.
Correct! Correct!
Find what these animals have in common in this row and think about who else can join them.
That's right! Great! Challenge complete! Let's continue with the quiz to get more coins!
There is one wrong ladybug in each row. Find them. There is one wrong.
That's right!
Quacky has hidden 5 balls in the room. Can you find them all?
Correct!
What do these animals love to eat? Match the animals to their favorite food.
That's right!
Match the scenes Quacky was in and the thing he needs.
Correct! Great! Challenge complete! Yeah! We got 1 coin!
How many jars of honey did each bee collect? Match them to the corresponding hand gestures.
No, it's wrong. Correct!
Where can you find numbers in the supermarket? Let's find them.
Correct!
Think about it and match the cookies to right molds.
No, it's wrong. No, it's wrong. That's right!
Some pages have fallen out of the books. Please reattach them correctly.
No, it's wrong. That's right! Great! Challenge complete! Let's open the blind box! Quack, 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 quack. Which blind box do you want? Congratulations! You got the secret edition!